Hey guys, Max, and welcome to our first show of the day in Monster Truck Destruction. We will be doing 3 trucks. First one's Dragon Motion. So I started in 18 seconds. That's some cool stunts right off the bat. Here's what we got. More crooked. What a save. And I will vote for the winner, and after a few wins, and after some wins in other shows, we will be doing the Super Show, which will contain all our winners from the previous shows. Oh, what a front flip! What a front flip, mad scientist style. I don't know what to say to that, but that was some good stunting there. As he's doing a wheelie again. It's getting very laggy. And what a backflip to do. And crush cars, crushes them. And oh, he is doing so good. Oh yeah, so freestyle-y. Another big save is here. And this time, it's about to run out. 8 seconds left. And the freestyle run is over. That was a nice one by Radical Motion. So let's get the next truck. Next is Outback Thunder. So it's time to start at 31 seconds. He's hitting those ramps. Oh, that was a barrel save. Oh, nice backflip. We got more stuff. Got big air. Yeah. Oh yeah. Truck has one. This truck is a horse, and I will be voting the winner here at the end, and I will say the winner at the end this time. Or actually, no, I will not say the winner. But I will guess the winner when I'm done recording this. And I think it's 55 seconds. Now 50 seconds. I'm at 50 seconds now, yeah. I don't know. I didn't know if I started at 30 seconds or 31. I think I started at 30. 40 seconds. Back flip. I lost a couple pieces. Nice. He says he gets some nice air. And he will do a backflip. And he only got 10 seconds left. After, what can he do? We're here for a freestyle show. An ending big save. And that'll be the end of a run anyway. So let's get our next truck. Our final truck. For our final truck, we have Crazy Train. As he's coming out. He started at 45 seconds. Nice. 2 times nice air. It's going a little crooked on the main jump. Oh, what a good stunt to do. Another big jump. Alright, early backflip. Nice. It's not all about the points here, it's all about crazy stunts. Yeah, crazy stunts. It's all about that. That's how I would vote them. Another backflip. He's crazy with it. He wants to do a lot of backflips today. And I think it's gonna be exactly 1 minute right about now. Like, yeah, 1 minute left. Why is he so crazy with backflips? Doing 3 backflips already. Right. Now he's time to crush. It's crushing the cars. Big wheelie. In 45 seconds. And he crushes. Oh, he wants to go faster than this one. Uh-oh. And he is good. Oh, he wants to crush cars. Oh my god. He's doing a lot of crazy stunts. Oh my goodness. Crazy Train is doing really crazy today. That was a good joke, me. Thanks. We have 10 seconds. What can he do for a final move, for a final car? And the final move is done. And that will be our freestyle show. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, gamers.